Morning. Today we are going to Newton Abad. We are heading to the hidden gem in Dartmoor. We call it Venford Falls. It's a quite remote place, and you have to go there by car. And it's our first time there, so it should be take within half an hour walking inside a quite dense jungle. So hopefully the kids will enjoy it in this quite a warm and a little bit of chilly weather. Okay, let's go. You can see here people cycling, riding up the hills, climbing up the hills. Okay, so now we are here in the Dartmoor. So there's Venford Reservoir. So now we are going to find the Venford Falls inside this quite a dense forest. So Dina, are you ready, Dina? Ready? Let's go! Yeah! So now we are start walking. See here, it's quite windy today and quite chill, so let's go. So the road quite steep here, quite steep and a little bit slippery, have to be quite careful. Okay, now we can spot. We are using the lower trail, which is alongside the water, the river. The waterfall from there, it's about half an hour walking from the car park. Walking there, walking in. It's quite nice, huh? The hidden gem in Venford. So here it's called Venford Falls. Okay, come, let's go. The first part is in the video. Okay, now we are here. So now we are here. Okay, this is one. Oh, so nice. Okay.